Today we're going to be talking for the FTP server that I'm going to be going through, and we'll go through the process of the steps that I took for in the project. So first, we'll open up our UTM, and just to make sure that the FTP server is linked and working, we're going to put this command in. It is FTP key. There you can see it's active and running. Then we're going to go back to the assignment and we're going to talk about access without being authenticated by the server. So what we need to do is we need to open the client again. And first we're going to write FTP. Then we're going to write open and we need to figure out what the IP address is. So we're going to go back to here and we're going to write if config. And we can see that IP address is the one right here. So we're going to go back to the client. Number 192.168.64.2. Then the first requirement is to log in as an anonymous user. So we will do that. And it's asking for a password. I'm going to put the password in. There you can see it's connected. Then we're going to talk about authenticated users. Users must supply ID and password. We're going to write the IP address again. 168.64.2. And first we need to exit the old ones. Then we need to write FTP again. And write open 192.168.64.2. And then we're going to put in our username, which is fantastic. And then we're going to put the password in again. And this is how you do number 7 and 8. And the next part is going to be showing you how to do the rest of the questions. For this part here, we're going to be doing number 1, where we have to be able to get a listing of the file in the remote server machine. We need to go to our UTM client. We're going to do ls-l. This is where you can see all the directories and files. And now we need to go back to the client. And we're going to write ls here. And you can see it's the same directories and files which are present here. So we have this test file here. We want to copy this into the server. So what we need to do there is we're going to put test.rtf, which is the extension. And it says factor complete. Now we need to go to right here. And we need to do ls again. And we can see the test.rtf file is available in the server. From the server. So for that, we need to go to UTM here. And we're going to create a test file here. Test to leave the extension as RTF. That's created. Now we need to get this one. We need to copy this onto the desktop. Now what we're going to do is get test2.rts. And as you can see, test2.rtf, which we just created, is we got it from the server to the client. So first we need to go here. We're going to do ls-l. ls-l. We can see we have the test.rtf file, so we want to delete it. So we will go back to our client right here. Then we're going to write delete test.rtf. There you go. Number 4 is done. Now we need to rename the file server, which is test2.rtf. We're going to do it for the client, rename test2.rtf, and we're going to name it test3.rtf. There you go. So the file has been renamed. We have to create a new directory. So what we can do is mkdir. We can do test 5764.r3dir. And now we can see this directory has been created. And now we can go here. We can ls minus l. Now we can see test 564 directory has been created. And what we renamed before from test2.rts to test3.rtf. And that's it. Thank you so much for your time.